Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, BrittanyBearMakeup here. If you guys are new, today's video is awesome because I'm going to show you guys how I got a beautiful, like, sexy, bronzy glam look just in time for summer, if the sun ever decides to come out, that is. So turn on my post notifications so you guys can join my bear family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this big red button right here. And keep on watching as I show all of you guys how I got this beautiful glam look using some brand new products. And you guys are not going to want to miss this because this is fire.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Today's makeup is going to be a really pretty fresh bronzy glam look, and I think this is going to be super perfect for the summer, so I'm really excited to show you guys some of the products that I use when I transition my makeup into more summery makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to be applying on my face today is going to be a really good moisturizer. Now because it's summer, I highly recommend you guys go out and purchase a moisturizer that's going to have sunblock in it. The one that I'm using is actually from Image Skincare, so it's super amazing, hydrating, and I recommend it to anyone. Now typically you guys know that I actually start with my eyeshadow, but today I'm feeling adventurous. I have faith in my makeup skills and I'm not going to drop eyeshadow under my eyes, so I'm going to go right into the foundation. And I decided to use a new one. This is the Yves Saint Laurent foundation. I've been using it lately and I really like the consistency of it, and I'm going to be stippling this foundation into my face. What I like about this foundation is that it's full coverage, but it still looks like skin. And I feel like during the summer, it's really important that you still have fresh, glowy face. I'm so excited for July, guys. I just realized that it's like coming so quick. July is my birthday. If you guys did not know, I was born July 20th. And I'm so excited because I love celebrating my birthday. However, I have no plans for it this year, and I'm kind of like debating what I want to do. So if you guys have any suggestions, make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what I should do to celebrate my birthday. Now that I've gone ahead and I've applied this, the next thing is going to be for me to actually conceal. And I've been really loving these Jeffree Star concealers lately. I used it, I think, one time in a video. So I'm going to use C16. It's very identical to my skin color. I'm going to use this to conceal any dark circles I have, which recently I have like a lot because I'm tired and I'm sick. A little bit on my chin, not too much, and then right in the middle where my unibrow typically is laying. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend and pat all of this into my skin. And I love this concealer for many reasons, but one of the reasons is it's so hydrating. Like, I am a huge fan during the summer to rock hydrating products because you want your skin to have like a natural glowy finish to it, and this definitely gives you that effect. Alright guys, so now that I've applied that, I'm going to go in with my JOUER concealer. It's a very light shade. I'm going to be applying this just on the high points of my face. So right here above my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, the chin, just a little on the sides and the nose. Okay, so I'm patting this all over. And then on my chin as well. Just kind of making sure everything is nice and blended. So I'm gonna go in with one of my old favorite translucent powders. I haven't shown you guys this one in a minute. It is the LAURENT Mercier translucent powder. So grabbing it with my sponge, I'm just going to be applying this to all the areas that I highlighted on my face. Just kind of packing on a generous amount on my chin, and then I like to reverse contour, so where I basically add highlighted points to create the illusion that I have more of that contoured structure. You know what's so funny is that I was gonna cream contour and I completely forgot, and like we're already past that. So we are not cream contouring today, we're just gonna contour with powder. I am so sorry, Bear Fam, I was gonna show you guys that, but today is just one of those days, you know, when you're sick and you take medicine. I think I took NyQuil in the morning because we were out of Dayquil, and I definitely regret it because it makes you so drowsy and tired and you just feel like a Oompa Loompa. That's definitely how I feel right now. Today I'm really excited because I got a new PR package, woohoo! And in the PR package, I got this beautiful COLOURPOP palette. I think this is like gonna be my staple for summer because it has some freaking gorgeous shades. So you have some like glitter shades, you have some beautiful pigments, and then you also have some really pretty matte shades. And it's called California Love, so I mean, I feel like this is a beautiful palette. Now I'm really excited as well because I also got I'm using new products today. Who is she? And I just dropped like the brush I was gonna use. Anyways, I'm excited because I got this. This is from e.l.f. I don't know if they're gonna start selling these because it doesn't really specify, but if they do, this is really cool. So it says like Smokey Eye Eye Brush Kit. So this kind of just breaks it down for you and makes it really easy for you to just be like, oh, I want a smoky eye. Let me go to e.l.f. and get the Smokey Eye Brush set for God knows how much. I'm sure it's very inexpensive. Today I'm actually gonna be taking this one. It is a fluffy eye blender brush. I'm gonna go in with this really pretty color. It's speaking to me. It is called Gold Rush. I feel like it's super pretty. It's like a terracotta shade. And I'm going to be patting this onto my eye. You know, one thing I really love about e.l.f. brushes is that they apply so nicely and they're so fluffy that like I never get streaky eyeshadow with it. I feel like it's such a good beginner's brush. So I'm gonna spend a couple minutes just making sure it's nicely blended out. And then they have some really pretty cool colors in here and I'm like super obsessed with this color right here. It's called Diego and it just looks like life. So I gotta go into Diego. Oh my God, that's beautiful. And Diego, damn, you are not playing. That is so pretty, guys. This is, I have to say, this is probably one of my favorite freaking pigment shades I've ever put on my eyes. I'm actually gonna grab a chocolate brown shade from this palette called Mission, and I'm going to create almost like a liner. So I'm just gonna smoke the lower lash line, create like that Kylie look. I feel like she always does it. She always goes for like a smoky eyeliner. Bam, just like that. So this is the eye look. Do we see how fast I created this eye look? Like I'm so impressed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly do the other eye and then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna, you know, we're gonna finish off our summer glam and get ready. So see you guys in a second. All right guys, I am back in action, ready to finish off this look. So you guys, tell me this isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life. Like I literally got this and was obsessed. Too Faced came out with a new mascara. It's called Damn Girl and it came in like this super cute giant size version of the mascara. So today I'm gonna try it out. Let's see how well this works. I'm probably still gonna add false lashes, but let's try it out. So I'm gonna go into these little bad boys. Okay, nice volume. It definitely lifted them and I feel like it gave it like a really pretty natural eyelash look. However, I personally like false lashes no matter what. I feel incomplete without false lashes. So I'm quickly just gonna grab that same eyeshadow brush and I'm going to grab these two colors, Laguna and Gold Rush. Very simple, and I'm just gonna smoke it under my eye. Nothing crazy, but just, I have to make it flow. So I'm gonna try a new bronzer today. I'm really excited for this. This is MAC. This bronzer is called Canyon Dreamin. So I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. brush and I'm excited for this. It's like a paintbrush. This is like a contouring brush, I believe. Oh yes, look at that oh, damn. She came to slay. Okay, yes, this brush is life. I'm obsessed with this brush. You guys, not only does it feel amazing on the face, like it makes contouring so easy. Look at that. So I'm just gonna contour my bottom chin, the rim of my forehead. Wow, you guys, I have to recommend this brush. It's my first time using it, but I have to say, like, it makes contouring and just bronzing yourself up in general, like, so easy. So now that I've gone ahead and I've contoured, I'm just gonna contour my nose real quick. So taking my brush for my nose contour set, just going to quickly contour my nose. You guys, I do have an in-depth video, so if you're like, Brittany, we need the details, go check it out on my YouTube channel. But basically, I break it down for you. These brushes make it so easy. Like if I did not have this brush, I'd be looking like Squidward. My brushes always come through. Now I am so excited to try this. This is a new highlight and blush palette from MAC once again. If I ever had a collaboration, this would be my packaging, but they beat me to it. I think I'm gonna take the first shade, which is called Wonder Who, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my nose like I always do. So they're like very subtle but pretty highlights, which I do like. They're not like too intense where it's scary, but they're just like enough to where it looks realistic, and I feel like it's gonna give your skin like a natural, beautiful glow. I'm going to set my face with Tarte's new Stay Spray. Never tried it. Let's see how it works. Let me spray. Ooh, it smells good. Oh my God. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go back into that MAC palette. And I'm gonna go at the high point of my face and I'm just gonna kind of like blend this in. This is definitely summer glam right here. I love how it's not chunky, thick, or like overly glittery. It like melts in your skin. Like I don't know how else to explain it other than it looks incredible. And I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna use this as blush. So I'm putting it on my beauty blender and I'm gonna smile and I'm just gonna melt that into the bronzer. That is so freaking pretty. And it actually has like iridescence to it as well because it's like a highlighter. So you're gonna look hella glossy, like super bomb at the same time. All right guys, so I'm gonna go off camera really quick to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna finish off this beautiful summer glam bronzy look. So see you guys in a second. Finish my eyebrows, we are back in action. It is time for the lashes. So today I'll be using these Demi Wispies. They're very short, very natural looking. I already cut them. I'm just gonna be placing them on my eye with some adhesive. So I'm gonna place these bad boys on my lash line. And as you can see, like, they almost look so similar to my regular lashes. Alright guys, so this is basically what it looks like with the eyelashes. I'm so obsessed with how it turned out. I feel like this is so perfect, it's so bronzy, so summery. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to be applying my lipstick. For today, I'm going to be using these two MAC lipsticks. The shade is actually called Life in Sepia. I'm using this as like a lip liner. And then in the center, I'm actually going to take this one. This one is called Feelin' Sentimental. I'm going to place this one in the center. Just like that. Alright, so now that I've done that, I'm going to top it with a gloss. I typically don't wear glosses, but in the summer, I feel like juicy, big lips look so sexy and so cute. So this one is called Coral of the Wild. I think it's wild. It's kind of cut off, but it's like a really pretty coral color. I'm going to place this in the center. Oh, that's so pretty. Alright, Bear fam, so here it is. Here is the final look. I am struggling to talk. My voice is like going in and out. It's like crazy right now. But I love how it turned out. I think this is definitely my go-to look for the summer. Like if I'm on vacation or even if I'm just like going to an event or something, I like to keep it more on the natural side, even though this is like 20 layers of makeup. But regardless, it looks beautiful, it looks fresh, it looks glowy, and I just feel confident in this makeup. Before I go, guys, I do want to give my post notification shout out to my girl, JOUER. Thank you so much for being a part of the Bear family and turning on your post notifications. I love you so much. If you guys want a post notification shout out, all you guys have to do is turn them on and then comment when done. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, Bear fam.